Hello everyone, welcome to my channel urmishedyoworld.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can import a CSV file in Python. Here I am using Jupyter Notebook, but you can also follow the same steps in Google Colab or Spider. To read a CSV file, in Python there is a specific library which is used that we call it as pandas. This panda is really helpful in data manipulation or reading or extracting any of the file. So let's get started. So to import the library, I will write import pandas and I will give it an alias name as by writing as PD. So pandas will also be referred here as PD. Let's run this cell. It is successful. Otherwise, it's going to show you the error. So once this is done, the next step that is you have to create a data frame. In pandas, whenever you want to read a file, you have to create a data frame. So I'm going to name this data frame as df. Df is equal to pd. I will call this pd as in panda, which I have referred and referenced, I given as pd for pandas. So that's why I'm writing the alias name, that is pd dot. To read a CSV file, you have to write read underscore CSV as a function. This function is going to help you in reading the CSV file. Specific to CSV, for Excel, for JSON is a different read underscore JSON, similarly read underscore Excel. But for CSV, specific to that, you have to write read.csv. Now in this parenthesis, you have to just mention the path. So here, I want to insert a CSV file, and that file is farms. And you can see this is in comma separated values. So for this, I'll go on the properties and get the whole location of this file. This is what the location is. So I'm gonna copy paste this location and simply I'm gonna paste it here in the double quotes. And along with that, I'll mention the farms.csv. But keep in mind that here we need a double backslash to read anything uh, within your desktop. You have to mention here as in within double backslash and just run this cell. It is not giving any error, that is we have successfully read that file and it's been stored in the df. So let's read the df, that is the file. So once just mention df and now run this cell. See, so this is how you can import your CSV file. And similar, let me check you this. I have already opened this file, so let me give you the overall idea that here it is having the ID up to this price regions. Okay, so till region you can see there are 20 counts, which says that there are 20 columns. And if I go in row wise, then I can see it's 1026 counts, which says that the number of rows are 1026 and number of columns are 20. And similarly, when you see here, it is also mentioned 1026 rows and 20 columns. So that is exactly matching. So this is how you can import your CSV file in Python. If you really like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you.